Reduce if possible here. So when we're reducing fractions, we're asking the question, what number divides the numerator, the top number, and the denominator, the bottom number there? Well, in this case here, what number divides 21 and 14? Well, that's going to be a 7. So we're going to divide 7 to both the numerator and denominator. So here we go. 21 divided by 7 makes 3. 14 divided by 7, that makes 2. So our answer is going to be 3/2 is going to be the reduced form. Now there's an alternate way of thinking about this, right? So we know that 21 equals 3 times 7 and 14 equals 2 times 7. So we can remove or cancel out these common factors of 7s, right? It's 7 over 7. A number over itself makes 1. So we have 3/2 times 1. Well, that just makes 3/2, same as what we got here. Now, this way we don't really look at here. We're at this stage in math, we're still here, but in the future, we're actually going to be looking at this canceling or removing common factors type idea. And that's more of like an algebra 2 type thing. You'll be doing more of this canceling versus reducing by dividing the same thing. So go ahead and try this one out on your own. Pause the video, then write the answer somewhere in your notes, and then come on back and see how you did. So we're looking at what number to reduce. What number divides both the 21 and the 24? It's not a 7 in this case. The 7 does divide the 21, but not the 24. So 3 divides them both. So we're going to divide both numerator and denominator by 3. So 21 divided by 3 makes 7. 24 divided by 3, that's going to make the 8 there, and we're done there. Again, looking at that common factor, removing common factors, 7 times 3 makes 21, 8 times 3 makes 24. And this is that factoring type idea. So we can remove the common factor of 3 because 3 over 3 makes 1, or cancel, right? And so that just leaves us with 7/8 times 1, just leaves us with 7/8. We get the same answer either way. This is just a different way of looking at it. Just trying to expand your brain a little bit, let you know where math is going in the next couple of years. Go ahead and reduce this one if possible. Pause the video, then come on back and see how you did. 5 and 6, nothing divides both 5 and 6. 5 is prime, so most times when you see a prime number, it's unlikely that you're going to be able to reduce it. But in this case here, no number divides them both, so this one is already reduced. So a skill you do need to have is, can I identify whether a fraction is reducible or not? And in this case, not.